part 2. And so, you don't really need to know what guns I'm using, but I was going to use my Fire Strike. Yes, it is a Fire Strike. It was painted black, spray painted after spraying, but it's broken right now. The trigger is messed up. It's stuck, but it doesn't matter. Anyways, and you already know everyone here, most likely, if you watched the other video. And there's someone new, which is right there, green shirt guy. Anyways, Con Dog is over there. Just so you know, he's right over there. It's right there. We're gonna start time lapse. That's the end of that.
You guys didn't see me in that one a lot.
No, not really.
I didn't even know that he was recording until he was recording, so.
That's weird. But anyways, that's it for this Nerf War. Hope you enjoyed. And see ya.
Bye.